everyone? Welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And today's video, I am going to make some delicious stew fish. That's right. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. To get started, the first thing that I'm doing here is fry the fish about 5 to 10 minutes on both sides, and I'm using vegetable oil. As you can see, the beautiful snappers are already done. They're not fully cooked. It's okay because they are going back in the stew to be cooked. And those are the additional ingredients I will be using: bell peppers, onion, thyme, parsley, tomatoes, tomato paste, and paprika, Maggi cube, complete seasoning. Now I'm going to slice a tomato. As you can see, it's pretty ripe, perfect for the stew fish. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now I'm going to make the sauce. I'm also using the same fish oil. It's full of flavor, but it's optional, guys. Then I'm going to add the tomato paste and paprika. Let it saute for about 5 or less than 2 minutes to give that nice golden brown color that I'm looking for. Ensure to keep the heat on medium low. Then I'm adding the diced tomato and some freshly boiling water to dilute it. Taste as you go, adding a little bit of complete seasoning. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Then I am going to add the fish. The last thing, I am going to add the vegetables. If you want the vegetable to be on the crispier side, you can go ahead and add them last. It's all done. Beautiful and colorful, guys. Thank you for your precious time. Remember to comment, like, and share. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.